Come on in. Come on. Come on, Chaz. It's a tricky one, that. Good girl. Good boy. Good girl. Good girl. All right, let's go over here. That's it. It's 1, 2, 3. That's good. Go on. Go on, Chaz. Matt, Kelly, could you come on? Good girl. Good girl, Mally. Taz, come on. Good boy. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Good girl, could you? Taz, come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, over you go. Good boy. Okay, Mally, this time I want you to go underneath. Go on, Mally. Go on. Good girl. That's good. Mally, come back. Good girl. That's it. Get used to that too. Good girl, Mally. Well, you can go under Crudge and you, Taz. Go on, on you go. Taz. Good girl, Mally. Where's he gone? He's up to no good. He thinks there's something out there to get. He's going to go around the entire paddock now till he knows it's empty. Good boy, Chaz. Come on, we're going. Under here. Come on, Chaz. Good boy. Come on, Crudge. Good, that's it. Mally, where are you gone? Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Now this one's a bit tricky. Yeah, good girl, Crudgy. Yeah, because you've got the top strand of wire there, which is further back, so that could be a bit tricky for them. So they got to work that out. Taz, come on. Taz. Come on. Good boy. Mally. Let's see her. Watch her. There, she handles that alright. No worries. Come on. Let's go back. I've got to get on. Come on, over you go. A bit wider here. 1. Go on. Good. Taz, go on. Go. Could you? Good girl. Well done. Now I'm going to ask them to go through this gate, and the gap's not very big, but just watch how they twist their body to get through. Go on, Maddie, go through. Go on in. Good girl, go on, up. Taz. Could you? Come on. That's it. Go on, Taz. I missed it a bit there. Taz, good boy. Good boy.